Hi, Daria Jackson-Legagneur here of the New York Power Couple. How are you? Happy Saturday. What is going on? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, I just want to make sure that I am actually live. Let's see. I'm not sure if I think I am live. So if you can hear me, just let me know in the comments that you can hear me. Okay. It looks like it's looking good. I'm live. I'm live. What's up? What's going on? Happy Saturday, coming at you from New York City. So when you are jumping on, just let me know where you're tuning in from. I like to shout you out in my broadcast. What's up? So today, I want to share with you how I've been earning passive income for the past almost 60 days, and it's just been an amazing time. The opportunity is totally amazing. It's much better than what I expected. Hey, what's going on, Tom? What's going on? Great to see you. Thank you for tuning in. And I'm going to just show you behind the scenes how I've been earning, like I said, for the past almost 60 days. It hasn't even been a full 6 months. I mean, a full 2 months. And it's just been great. Yeah, I love passive money too. It's been really good. And I've been doing this by just doing everyday normal tasks on Facebook. So I joined a community, an amazing community where we move together, we work together. So we train once a week, we have webinars, and we also get a coach. And a coach is very, very important. I love the fact that we each have a coach, someone that we can reach out to when we have concerns, or we may have problems, or we're not sure about something. And what's unique about the coaches that we have is that the coaches deal with us on an individual case. So I've had many opportunities to be coached by six-figure earners, but a lot of times it was in a group. So it was very general. And sometimes you need a coach that's going to talk to your specific need. One thing about the coaches in this program, when they tell you to do something, they give you an example of what it looks like. They don't just say, reach out to people or engage. Engage could mean so many things. So not only do they say, okay, I want you to engage, but this is what it looks like. So it's ABC 1, 2, 3. I've been around in the online marketing affiliate space for 10 years, and I've seen a lot of programs, but I haven't seen a program where people are, when they follow the training and they follow the task step by step, they are winning. That I've never seen that. So what I want to do is take a couple of minutes to take you behind the scenes and show you what I am using, so that perhaps if you find that you're in a program and you're not getting enough engagement, you're not, you notice that your tasks are not producing you income, you're not attracting the tribe that you want, this might be something you want to take a look at. All right, so give me 1 second where I show my screen. And all right, so my screen is up. So the name of the program is called Successful Solution Method. And basically that's what it is. It's providing solutions for the online marketer that the online marketer needs to be seen, to get traffic. If you don't have any eyeballs on your content, you're not going to make any money, right? So that's the main thing. So you're going to learn that in this program. So in this program, there are several levels. You have the bronze level, you have the silver level, you have the gold, the platinum, and the diamond. And in these different levels, you're getting a different type of training, right? And I'm going to show you what it looks like when you get started. So when you get started in SSM, right, or successful solution method, you're first invited to the Facebook community. And what's great about this program, you don't have to be a member to be a part of the community. So if you want access to the community, just put in the comments below that you would like access to the community, and I'll bring you inside. So you register as an affiliate. You have videos that teach you how to increase your commissions. Let me click that just so you can see that. Right, and then she goes through so you get 50% commission on all your signups, and then she goes through detail exactly what to do, right, in these trainings, how to get how people are winning, everything, right, the trainings, the webinars, so you have access to everything. And in this program you get traffic, right? So she has pre-qualified traffic for us, and we just go out and we purchase it. So we don't have to worry about purchasing traffic that's not going to convert. Her traffic converts. All right, so let me go back. Oh, that's not where I wanted to go. Hold on. All right, how come I can't go back? Here we go. All right, so you get your traffic package. You meet your success coach. Like I said, I talked about that before. Right now we have onboarding sessions. So as soon as you become a member, we have onboarding sessions that you can attend to get exactly what you need to catch you up. We have our own private Telegram group, so you'll have access to that. And then you'll also have an opportunity to upgrade when you're ready. All right, so let me go back. No, that's not where I want to go. Okay. So, no matter where you start, whether you want to start in the bronze level or if you want to start in the platinum level, everyone starts the training in the bronze package. So this is what the bronze package looks like, and where everyone should start when they are becoming a member. Okay, so you're going to get access to the fail-proof traffic system, which is amazing, right? And one thing I want to say is about Amanda's training. This is the founder. Her name is Amanda Ray. I found out what I thought I knew, and I really didn't know as much as I thought I knew. That's all I'm going to say about her training. So if you are a seasoned marketer, if you are a new marketer, it doesn't matter. She has training for you, and her training works. If whatever it is that what she teaches, it absolutely works. Okay, so put a 1 in the comments to let me know that you're with me, that you could still hear me and everything. Just want to say hello to those people that just jumped on. Appreciate you coming out. All right, so so you're going to get this training here, and it consists of different modules, right? And you have some downloads, right? And she just breaks it down. She breaks it down. So the training is here. And I know for me, I thought I knew how to get engagement. Boy, was I wrong, right? And that's just one of the trainings, and my computer is really slow right now, so let me go back. But I was thinking about skipping the training because I'm like, skipping around. Don't skip around. Make sure you go step by step by step by step. And my computer seems like it's freezing. All right, here we go. All right, so there are several modules in this section here. Then she has her S3 Method 2.0 2020 update. Definitely don't want to miss out on that training. And then all the trainings from day 1 are in this section, which you definitely do not want to miss out on. So whether you become a member today, next week, next month, you have to go through the training so you can catch up to everyone. Because what I love about this program is that we all move as one, right? With no one left behind. Okay. You can also get your custom made digital card. Okay. So no matter what level you're in, you want to make sure that you stop here first, and then once you advance to the other levels as far as your skill level, then you will do all the training in the silver. So then that's when she talks about social influencer series, and you get your custom digital card. And then the training here, she talks about video marketing, but she's not going to allow you to do the task in those trainings if she sees that you're not ready. So it doesn't matter whether you come in as a bronze level or platinum level, you still have to go through the training, starting with the bronze, and move your way up. And she will be able to tell if you're ready or not for the next step. So don't think you're going to be able to just jump in and then just do the training in the diamond section, or get access to what you get in the diamond section, and you're not ready for it, because it won't make any sense, right? So it's a beautiful thing. So let me just show you. You're probably saying, okay, let me see the payments, right? All right, so here are my payments from day one. I came in the beginning of August, and within, I would say, 10 days, 12 days, about 12 days after I joined, I received my first commission on August 22nd, which was $450. And then I just continued to earn. So I got paid twice in August. And then on the 5th of September, I got $700. That was a great day, $700 day. And then September 11th, another $4. On the 18th, $450. And the 25th, I got 50. Now, and the month is not over. They're still coming in. It's just not calculated here. But this goes to show you, just by following the tasks, you will earn. So this is another back office. So this is my total earnings up to date. And like I said, it's still coming. My traffic is running. I'm doing my income producing activities, and I'm earning. And that's pretty much it, with the program. That's pretty much it with the program. It's just been an amazing journey. There are a lot of network marketers, online marketers, affiliate marketers that never made a dime online, but they came into this program and they followed the tasks that Amanda is sharing, these proven tasks that work, and they are winning. So this is something that anyone can do. If you're looking for a plan B, you lost your job, whatever it is that you're promoting, you're not able to get your tribe in front of you, she's going to teach you how to do that. So these tasks that she has taught us, and the trainings that she's given us, is evergreen. So you'll be able to promote anything. Once you have those tasks under your belt and you do them consistently, and don't half half-ass it, you're gonna win. And it's just that simple. We're having a good time over at SSM. We're supporting each other. We're bigging each other up, and we're just moving together nicely. Now the best part about SSM, I have not spoken to one person about SSM, because what Amanda teaches is attraction marketing. So through your posts, your videos, your activities, you attract people to you. And people have I get people coming to me in my back office every day asking me, what are you doing? Because people are noticing a difference. They're noticing a difference in my content. They're noticing a difference in my engagement. I've never had engagement as high as it is now. You know, there's times I would post and maybe I would get 10 likes. Every day I'm consistently getting over, since I started the program, and you could scroll down in my profile and see for yourself. Ever since I started the program, I've been getting over 100 likes consistently every day. I mean, I had a really good post yesterday that's over 400. Was it yesterday? 2 days ago. It's over 400 likes. I've never had that, and about 300 and something comments. You know, so what she's teaching works. So if you are really looking to scale up your business and get results, get the results that we're getting in this community, come check us out. You know, just come and look around and just, you know, just see what's going on. And you will be amazed, because I know for me, when I first heard about the program about 3 months ago, 4 months ago, I was like, nah, this is just another program, just the, you know, the influencers, people that have large, you know, following are going to do well. And I just stuck around to see. And to my surprise, to my surprise, I noticed that it was a lot of network marketers, online marketers, affiliate marketers that never got paid and are getting paid with this program. So just come check it out. If you want more information about the program, just drop info in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to send that over to you. So that's all I have for you now. Daria Jackson-Legagneur signing off of the New York Power Couple. Thank you so much for stopping by. Share this video with someone that you think that might need it, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. Bye.
Oh, I didn't know you was in the office.